Hello, everybody. This is Tim with Meridia Technology. I'm so glad you could join me today. And tonight we are here at my home, and I'm going to use auriculotherapy again. And we're just doing a video series to show people how you don't have to be an acupuncturist or a doctor to utilize and have the benefits and blessings of auriculotherapy in your home. So today I'm using auriculotherapy with my son, who we're going to do some anxiety protocols on him. And this anxiety protocol is a tremendously powerful protocol because it can help calm you down. And so there's been times where you can actually use this protocol in the middle of the day if somebody's upset or something like that. And I can totally tell you it is very powerful and can calm a situation down if you just know some of the points. So I'm going to put those points up on the side and then we'll go through them. And how Auriculo 360 works is you can think of the ear as a road map for your body. There's reflexology in the ear. And so we're going to do points and organs and adrenals and different types of points that are associated with all of those things within the body. And as I go through that, if they're sensitive, it's definitely a point that we'd want to treat or want to put an ear seat on or laser or something like that. And so this is a tremendous benefit for you to have. You can utilize it in your home. And it's not just anxiety. There is over 400 different types of points and protocols. So it have something else that's not necessarily a medication that you have to take. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go into Auriculo 360. And so I just opened it up and I'm going to go to anxiety. Anxiety. And so I have anxiety and I just put that on my phone. And right now you can see it's the wrong ear, so I'm going to flip it around to the other ear. Let's flip that around. There we go. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go through these points and protocols. And so how you use Auriculo 360 is it starts with the master points. And the master points on Auriculo 360, they're in all caps. And so you want to press on the master points first, and that activates the ear. And then from there, we're going to go into all of the other points. And as he has a point that is super sensitive, it's a giveaway that that organ or that adrenal or that point needs attention. And then from there, you can put a seat on it or laser, and it is very powerful in helping the body. So, so let's just do that really quick. So I'm going to start with Shen Men. Shen Men up top. And you just tell me if that's sensitive. Super sensitive, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that really sensitive?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. So Shen Men. I'm going to do point 0. Is that sensitive?
No. Oh, yeah, right there.
Really? Is it zinging you?
It is.
Okay. All right. So we might want to do that. Now, I'm going to the sympathetic autonomic point, and I'll put this up in the screen, but the sympathetic autonomic point is actually behind the fold in the front part of the helix. And so you can't see it if you just had a 2D, but you can see it with 3D. So I'm going to push. Is that sensitive?
Yeah, that one got me.
Is that pretty good? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
More sensitive than the other ones.
No, the other ones were pretty sensitive as well, but
Okay.
this one's got me.
All right. Then we'll go to the occiput. All right.
Ooh.
Is that sensitive?
Yeah, all throughout my ear.
Okay.
Mm.
All right. And then we'll go to the heart. Is that one okay?
Yeah, that one doesn't hurt as bad, but it's still really, really sensitive.
Okay. Then we'll do the adrenal.
Woo.
Okay. So almost every point we've done so far is pretty sensitive on this guy.
Yeah.
And now I'm doing tranquilizer. Tranquilizer point. Is that pretty sensitive?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're going to do master cerebral. Is that pretty sensitive?
That one, yeah, it is really sensitive, but it's a different feeling than all the other ones.
Okay. So I would say you were pretty sensitive on almost every point except for the last point. And so uh, what I would do next if I'm doing auriculotherapy at home is I would be putting seeds on all those points. So we'll show you how to do that another time, but this app right now is for free. So it's a free download, and I highly recommend you take advantage of this and help your family out. Look up all the protocols and use it. Use it in your life if it helps you have, you know, reduced anxiety. There's also depression in there. There's flu protocols. There's cold protocols. There's RSV protocols. There's influenza. Um, so many different anxiety, depression, which I already mentioned. So many different protocols that are in Auriculo 360. It's truly a treasure chest of helpful tools to have in the fight against having health within your home. So please take advantage of it. Right now it's for free. Click on the link in our video and have a great day. We wish you well at Meridia Technology and happy holidays. Thanks.